Have you ever wondered how to become an ethical hacker? Welcome to the intriguing world of ethical hacking, a relevant and captivating field in our digital age, offering myriad benefits and opportunities. Intrigued? Buckle up as you're about to embark on a thrilling journey into the world of ethical hacking. First, understand what ethical hacking is. It's a practice, a pursuit of knowledge, where one learns to exploit system vulnerabilities but with good intentions. Unlike malicious hackers, ethical hackers operate legally and ethically, safeguarding systems. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Ready to dive in? Here are the steps to become an ethical hacker. First, sharpen your IT skills. Get comfortable with operating systems, databases, and networks. Understand the ins and outs of coding. This forms your foundation. Next, specialize in security. Learn about vulnerabilities, threat modeling, password cracking, and firewalls. Discover how to protect systems and data from breaches. Then it's time to certify your knowledge. Aim for certifications like Certified Ethical Hacker or Offensive Security Certified Professional. These credentials showcase your expertise and commitment. After certification, gain hands-on experience. Apply your skills in real-world scenarios. Internships, job roles, or volunteering can provide these opportunities. Practical application is key in this field. Lastly, never stop learning. Technology evolves rapidly, and so does hacking. Stay updated with the latest trends and techniques. Attend workshops, webinars, read research papers, and participate in hacking forums. Follow these steps diligently, and you could be on your way to becoming an ethical hacker. To wrap it up, here's a quick recap. Becoming an ethical hacker involves understanding the field, honing IT skills, specializing in security, achieving relevant certifications, gaining practical experience, and committing to continuous learning. Embark on this exciting journey today, and you could be the next big thing in the world of ethical hacking.